Today in this video, I will explain you how you will make your own application, your own app, which you can run in your phone, you can send to your friends in just minutes. So let's start. So first of all, open any browser and you have to download Android Studio. Android Studio. Then here the first link is coming, download Android Studio. You have to click here. And after that, you have to click here, your download will get started, and then just you have to install it in your local PC. And then after, when you will open your Android Studio, this his icon will look like this. It will look like this. When you open this, it will take some time because you should have an active internet connection, because it will take some time to scan Gradle, import Gradle. So it will take some time, at least 5 minutes, I think. But your internet connection is fast, then it will not take that much of time. Then after that, when it will get started, I have already installed it, so I am not downloading it. And after the first page, you will see like this. Here you have to click on the new project, and in the new project you have to click on empty views activity. And how you can make this app with the chat gpt or blackbox AI, any AI. So I have already done this. I am just showing what I have typed here in this black box AI. It's type of chat gpt only, so but it basically is for code, that's why I'm using it. So here I have written build an Android app in my Android Studio. I will just, my spelling is wrong here. I will just copy and paste the code. App should be look like quiz app. So here it is saying it will make quiz app. You have to open Android Studio, then new project, then empty activity, then click next. So here empty views activity, then next. And what's the app name? Name your project quiz app. So I'm copying it. With the help of this black box AI or any chat GPT, you will make your own application just within some minutes. Then click on finish. And then you have to add these dependencies. So I'm copying it. You will file dependencies in build.gradle.kts. It's importing Gradle, so it will take some time. And just now it's you can see it's been imported. So we have to go in Gradle script, then Gradle.gradle, and implementation we have to paste it, which we have copied. This one which we have copied, we are pasting it here, removing this. We have to make it look like this only. So I'm adding bracket. And you have to add here double quote, because this in Kotlin, Gradle is in Kotlin, but your language which you will use here is Java. So that's why you have to add here that two code. Then click on simply skin now. Then click on build, clean project, then rebuild project. Here you can see Gradle build running. And here it is saying like recommended API at least 35. So we will change its API to 35, like here, compile SDK and target SDK. We have changed it to 35. Then simply click on sync now. And now if you will click here, clean project, then rebuild project, it is showing no error. So we will proceed it further. Then it's a activity slash main file. We will copy it. You will file activity file here and just paste that thing. Then after that, your main.activity file, main activity Java file, you will find it here. If you want to make another file, you have to just right click on new, then Java class. But I have to make changes here only, so you will just copy it, paste it. Here you can see it haven't provided the full code, so I have written here it was for API like 35 API, which he is saying you the thing which I was getting in that, like here it was showing in that error which I have shown you already. I have just copied and pasted here. It have shown me the solution how to do. Like here you have to change this to 35 and this to 35. Then skin clean rebuild project, run your app, and some main activity.java. I will copy it. Can you continue our code which you have left in between? This is written by me. I am talking about this code because he has left it here. So I have just said it. So this is main activity. You have to paste it here. Then this is question class. It's also he has left in between. That's why it's the problem of black box here. But ChatGPT used to write whole code, so I have written here continue it. Don't stop in between. So this is question.java file, and you have to make question.java file with the same name. Like Q should be capital and and then the every letter should be small. So you have to go here, new Java class question.java and just paste it here. If there is here is coming some red mark, so it means there is some error. Here also no error is now. And if you want to make another layout, you have to add another XML file from here. But this project is not saying to add me that layout. So this was the code, and I will just now run my app and how it will look inside my phone. So you have to click here, run app, or you can run from here also. But I'm running it from here. How it will look in my phone, it will show it here. So it will start like this. What is the capital of France? Incorrect. Try again. So when the answer is correct, it will shift to another question, like here, incorrect. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. If I will click on 4, it will shift to next question because this code is like this only. And in the last, you will see this screen quiz finished. So this was the simple app and how you will, and now I will show you how you will build this APK and send this APK to your phone or someone's phone. You have to just click on that APK, it will install it, and you can run this app in your phone. So for that, you have to click on build and build APK, then click on build APK, and then you have to click on locate. And here is the APK. You just have to paste this APK, or you have to send this to someone's phone, or you can send this to your phone from WhatsApp or from any share app, and then you have to just install it, and your app will be ready to use the app which you have made it. I will show you some of my project which I have made it from it, like some another quiz app which I have made it from ChatGPT only. There will be some error. If you get some error, it will be pointed out here. Like here it's showing 10 errors, but because the cradle sync is not been completed, that's why. Some of my video player and projects which I have made it till now. So that's a video player app which I have made it from ChatGPT only. So the Gradle sync is happening. After that, you can see there is no error. I have saved the music name with the name King. You can see it here, king.mp4, and this is this video only. I have changed the name. This video, I have just changed the name. I have just pasted it in the raw file here, king.mp4. Then after that, you have to click on run option. Now I am clicking on play option. You can pause it also, you can play it also, and you can just move this also. You can mute it, you can increase sound from here. It's a volume up, it's for volume down, it's for power off button. Like video player app, I think there's a problem in the sound, that's why the sound is not coming, otherwise sound also used to come. You can pause from here, you can play from here, you can scroll this, means you can just uh, click on this and you can, I don't know, this is known by the name seek bar. You can use this seek bar also. So this was the Ender development for today. If you want to make more projects in 10 minutes only, you can use ChatGPT. So like this, you can make your video player within a minute from ChatGPT. And if you want to learn, you can watch my video how to access Coursera courses for free. I will give the link in the description.